and 5 TV. Please like, comment down, subscribe after watching. Very neat, immaculate, very lazy, indolent, very fat, obese, very afraid, terrified, very accurate, exact, very willing, eager, very nervous, apprehensive, very risky, perilous, very creative, innovative, very tasty, delicious, very evil, wicked, very rich, wealthy, very noisy, deafening, very cold, freezing, very large, huge, very short, brief, very upset, distraught, very necessary, essential, very boring, dull, very old, ancient, very serious, grave, very worried, anxious, very often, frequently, very simple, basic, very shy, timid, very small, petite, very calm, serene, very funny,